Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about progressive web applications. Let's dive into the topic. In a broader way, we can call these progressive web applications or the modern way of building our current or classic web applications. Let's look into topics covered on the PWA, which is progressive web applications. We will understand in this session is what is progressive web applications, pillars of progressive web applications, what is the difference between progressive web applications and the normal or other applications which we are currently using, and what are the benefits of the progressive web applications, what are the challenges in progressive web applications. At last, we also explore an example of progressive web applications and how it looks in the normal real world. Let's explore what is progressive web application. A progressive web application or web applications which have more functionalities beyond normal web application, which resembles like a native application. We can able to call web applications like native applications are the platform specific applications. Like on the platform side, like we do have Android platform and iOS platform. Those applications which are specifically built for the platform, those are called platform specific applications. These currently like these progressive web applications will feels like an native applications, but those are actually normal web applications which have more capabilities and which feels like an, and also whatever the functionalities which are performed by the platform can also be mimicked and also can be used in the web applications. So those are called progressive web applications. Pillars of progressive web application. The first one is capable. Like progressive web applications, which are browser like web browsers are now capable of having potential features which previously not found. These potential features have been utilized in the progressive web applications. So we can call all the capabilities of platform specific applications can also be mimicked, can also be utilized in the progressive web application. The second is installable. Like these progressive web applications can be installed and run in a separate window, as we can feels like an it's a standalone application. These applications or can be installed on the fly when we visited the website. That will be we will explore in the last topic, where we are going to check one of the URL and how it is going to installable. And the third point is reliable. Reliable progressive web apps feels like fast and takes control on usage of network. Like these progressive web applications can also be worked offline. Like it utilizes the current storage or whatever the storage of the offline mode, and which can not dependable on the network. Hence, it feels like without the network also we could reliably explore the application without the network. The fourth is not platform specific. Like these applications have the single code base and can be independent of running on platform. Like it can be run on any browser, and also those browsers have been installed on the specific platform like iOS, Android. Like those are the two platforms. Like there are many platforms. Like in those platforms, we are simply going to use the browser capabilities in order to run our progressive web application. Let's look into what are the PWA versus and the other applications, which are platform specific application, or we can call it as native applications. Here we have a graph of capabilities and reach or user engagement. On the one side, the capabilities which are provided by the native app are higher than the applications which are used on the website, used on the browser. Like the native applications have more capabilities than the web app applications, which are browser applications. Whereas PWA has utilized both the functionalities and the capabilities, and whatever the user reach engagement is higher in the web app, those two potentially have been utilized in the progressive web apps. Like these progressive web apps utilizes the capabilities which are not present in web apps, and hence it feels like an native web applications, and it reaches to the maximum users. Benefits of PWA. Like these applications works offline. PWAs are search engine friendly and optimized. The manifest file which is provided by the PWA has very search engine friendly, and we could able to get more information on a single click. So these are optimized for the search engine, and PWAs are very responsive and increase user engagement. The PWAs will load faster on the first load, and it increases the user engagement because it also works in the offline mode where the network is very tougher to access. PWA provides more functionality than the standard web applications. Like the standard web applications, we have very less features like installable. We cannot able to install the standard web application, and the look and feel of the standard web application is not as appealing, and also it doesn't have any push notifications, and those are many capabilities which are utilized by the PWA that differentiates the standard web application. The challenges in progressive web applications. There are also few challenges which are in the PWA. Like the PWA is an experimental and development in some features. Like there are media access control, like, and also the local storage file system accessing. Those are some of the very new features, and those are completely working in some browsers, and currently those are in experimental phase. PWA attains the capability only when browsers have that functionality. This could be a challenging where other browsers may not be implemented those functionalities. Example like native storage access or local file system access. These kind of functionalities might work in some browsers as they have been already implemented. Let's explore a sample PWA app where we could see it showing the, as in the screenshot, it allows us to install the app of the web application, which then seems like a standalone application. Let's explore how a real world PWA application looks like, and what are its capabilities, and how it is going to install in our system. Once clicking on the website URL, we are able to see the icon which shows install the website, right? This is the icon shows in order to install the website. Here it looks like gives a prompt which allows us to install the app. Once we click on install, it's automatically installed into our system, and which seems like a standalone application. Once we hit on install, we could able to see the it will open in a separate window, which is one of the capable functionalities of the PWA rather than opening inside the browser tab. So this is called how the PWA able to install and which mimics or feels like a native application. Thank you everyone. Hope you have understood what is the progressive web application and what are the challenges in it and what are the benefits of using the progressive applications. And we have explored one progressive web application, how it looks like a standalone application and which can differentiate from the normal standard application which is run in the browser tab. Hope you have a great learning session. Thank you.